Alrighty, so in this video, I'm going to be explaining um what we're doing here in this building search in more depth. Alright, alright, I tried to get out, once we went in, I tried to get out of the fatal funnel as fast as I could, and I saw that there was a wall over here, so then no one's going to be there, so then I decided to shimmy along that, and then I couldn't see that corner over there, so I kept watching that. Alright, and then I'm now slicing the pie with Amanda. She is watching my back. And then now she is watching that hallway while I'm searching the rest of the room. No one's there. All right, I tell her clear. Now we're gonna go along this hallway. That door up there is closed. I can't see to the right of me. While Amanda's got my back. Now we're gonna slice the pie together. All right, I don't see anyone over there. She's still looking over there. Now I'm gonna search this room. It's the bathroom. Make sure no one's in the shower. All right. I tell her I'm clear, ready to come out. All right. Now I'm watching her back. Now I'm going to search this room. All right, checking the corners, making sure no one's there. Everything's clear. Coming out. All right. Make sure no one's coming through that door. All right. Now she's going to slice the pie. Make sure no one's coming through or in the room. All right. She's clear. All right. Now I'm going to open up the door for her. Watch her back. Put my gun down. Gun safety. You don't want to shoot your partner. All right. Now I'm still watching her back. Make sure if we missed anyone. That's it.